So, greeting of the day. I am Rajkumar Parashari and I love doing physics. Today I am here with the third question of Z Advanced 2020. Today's objective is not only to provide the commonly available solution but also to put forward an uncommon new solution to the problem. You need to be till the end of the video. In the meanwhile, I would like to ask you to like and subscribe my channel so that you get notification in time. So dear friends, you have gone through this problem, so I need not to repeat this problem for you. I would like to go initially with a commonly provided solution in different videos and books. So in the common solution, you have a roller. Roller basically is a cylinder with an axle passing along its axis. In this problem, the axle happens to be slightly thicker, but anyway, we need to solve this problem. The way it has been given, the radius of the roller from the midpoint till this, the radius of the roller is capital R, and capital R is equals to 20 centimeter. And the radius of this axle is small r is equals to 10 centimeter. The size of the roller is small, so figure A is all okay. So I guess now you understand. This is the roller and this happens to be the axle. The axle comes out from either side of the roller. Is it right? Now you see, if you happen to see this roller from this side, so this is how it should look like. So this happens to be the front view of the roller when seen from this side. This is the place from where if you're looking at, so this is how it should look like. The area of the axle I have shown in this figure A by shaded portion. This should look like this perfect circle. This is the area of the axle. Is that right? And the radius is equals to small r. The radius of this equals to small r, equals to 10 centimeter. Now next part, the roller. Now you already know the radius of the roller is equals to how much? Capital R, and capital R happens to be 20 centimeters. So we understand the drawing the way it has been given. And over here, if you see in figure B, here is a meter scale. Meter scale, one side of the meter scale is kept over the axle. Is that right? This is where it has been placed. And then this meter scale is pushed in the forward direction. Now as this is pushed, so assume the roller rolls. The roller rolls, and at no point there is skidding between the meter scale and the axle. So there is, this meter scale rolls over this axle perfectly. Is that right? And this is what has been given over here. Now, the moment you see, now as the meter scale is moving in the forward direction, the roller rolls, and the center of the roller, this has to move in the forward direction. Is that right? So the question, according to the question, once the center of the roller is 50 centimeter ahead from its initial position, what is likely position of the meter scale? So they have given you four options: option A, B, C, D. According to the common solution provided in different books, now you see different videos. You see, during rolling, you already know the point which is in contact with the ground has zero velocity. V is equals to 0. The velocity of the center is V. If the velocity of the center of the roller is V, then the velocity of the highest point is 2V. And this point happens to be the midpoint. So expectedly, the velocity of this point should be equals to 3V/2. Now let's come to the part. Now see, this roller rolls for t seconds. During t seconds, this point should move ahead in the forward direction by vt distance, because the velocity is v, and this is given to be 50 centimeter. Now during the same time, this point should move ahead by the distance 3 by 2 vt, and this is equals to 3 by 2 is to 50, and this is equals to 75 centimeters. Now you see, because so this point should move ahead by 50 centimeter. Now the argument is, because the roller has moved ahead by 50 centimeter, and this point moves ahead by 75 centimeter. So with respect to the roller, this scale should be 25 centimeter ahead. So the expected answer is, this is the expected answer, v should be the expected answer. So this is 25 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter ahead of this point. Is it right? This is 25 centimeter and this is 75 centimeter. This position of the roller is with respect to initial position of the roller. Is it right? This is the initial position. This should be the position by the time the center of the roller has moved in the forward direction by 50 centimeter. Now a different approach, another solution to the problem. See, during rolling happens to be the very important topic when it comes IIT mains in advance. So this is problem number 3 in IIT advanced paper, and this is the problem number 2 related to rolling concept. So so this clearly shows how important this topic is. And I see, so this could be a sphere, this could be cylinder, hollow or solid, does not make any difference. When when this takes one full turn while rolling, this is rolled on a flat surface. This cylinder or the sphere is rolled on a flat surface. So as it completes one full circle about its axis, the distance covered by center of mass is 2 pi r. This is the distance covered, 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the cylinder or whatever body that is rolling down. Is it right? So this is important. You need to be very careful. So as you write, L is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi happens to be the angle about the axis. Is it right? About which this is rotating. Is it right? They are not talking about momentary rotation about this point. This is the angle. This is the angle covered about the center of mass of the rolling body. Is that right? Now think of a situation given in the problem. In this situation, here is the cylinder, the roller, and this happens to be the axis. This happens to be its axle. Now assume the roller has rotated. The roller has rotated by an angle theta. The roller at this point has rotated by an angle theta. The distance covered by the center, as per this logic, should be equals to L is equals to r theta. Is that right? So according to the problem, L is equals to r theta, and this is equals to 50 centimeter. Is that okay? Now you see the meter scale, one side of the meter scale is touching the axle. Is it right? And this rod has been moved in the forward direction, and this rod, as this rod moves, the cylinder, the roller rolls, and at no point there is a skidding. Is it right? Now, you see, when this point moves from position A to A dash, this point will move from position B to B dash. And so whatever is the distance moved by B dash, that should be the distance by which this scale should go ahead in the forward direction. So this, let's assume that L dash is equals to B dash, and this is equals to a small r theta, and this is small r, this is equals to capital R by 2 into theta. But r theta is equals to 50, and hence this is equals to 25 centimeter. Is that right? So this scale should move by distance 25 centimeter by the time center of the roller moves by 50 centimeter. Thank you. Thank you for being for the whole video. Please like and subscribe.